severe thunderstorm, tornado warning, and this man feels that it is very necessary to mow his lawn in the storm. It is that serious that he has to mow the lawn in the storm. 60-mile-an-hour winds. It's a mess out here, and he is just mowing the lawn like nothing's going on. I'm having trouble focusing the camera through the glass because I'm not going out there to film this nut. But this is what's going on. Let's see if I can pull back. Yeah. It's raining pretty good right now. Tornado warnings. Lost some power. The wind is really blowing, and like I said, he just feels it's necessary to mow his lawn right now. I mean, he couldn't wait till later. Lightning, everything. Crazy. Only in the great state of Texas do they mow their lawns. Or maybe just in Katy, Texas, do they mow their lawns during severe thunderstorm warnings. I don't know. The grass looked alright to me. Didn't look like it really needed to get mowed today, but I guess he felt it was very important. Uh-oh, the rain's getting even heavier, and he's still out here. I mean, he's mowing the lawn like there's no rain, there's no nothing. Like, it's just, everything's cool. Like, it's a bright, sunny day. He's nuts. He's nuts. But yeah, it's lightning, everything. It's getting pretty bad. But we needed some rain. It hasn't rained in a while. Not for real anyway. Not often enough to help with this drought, so we needed some rain like this. But I don't think that we needed to mow our lawns while we experienced the rain. Just saying. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's raining pretty hard. These some Texas-sized raindrops. Ooh, and more lightning. And he is out there getting it. You hear me? He got a raincoat on, but the raincoat is open, so I'm not even sure why he got the raincoat on. I don't even know what the point of that is. But he doing his job today, okay? he said, the hell with what you talking about. I'm mowing this lawn, and that's what's up. I'm hoping he don't get struck by lightning or nothing, because it's like a field next to that house. So it's not really much, you know, protecting him out there. So, yeah, dude's kind of crazy. I don't know if he lived there or he working, but if he working, they getting their money's worth out of this cat today. That's all I'm saying.